Hello, in this video we are going to discuss non-food crops of chapter agriculture, chapter number 4, class 10th geography. Under non-food crops we have rubber and fiber crops. Fiber crops can be divided into cotton, jute, hemp and natural silk. Let us discuss first with rubber, and then we will move to other fiber crops. Rubber is an equatorial crop, but under special circumstances, it is also grown in tropical and subtropical areas. It requires moist and humid climate with rainfall of more than 200 centimeters and temperature above 25 degrees Celsius. Rubber is an important industrial raw material. It is mainly grown in Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka and Andaman and Nicobar Islands and the Garo Hills of Meghalaya. India ranks 5th among the world's natural rubber producers. Let us discuss about the consumptions of natural rubber. The largest consumer of natural rubber is auto tires and tubes, that is 44.5%. 44.5% is the largest consumer in which tires and tubes industry is dependent. Then you have 13.3%, which is cycle tires and tubes. Camelback is 6%. Footwear is 11.2%. Belts and hoses is 6.1%. Latex foam 5.1%. Dipped goods 5.1%, and other uses are 8.7%. So when we discuss about the consumption of natural rubber, we come to the conclusion that the auto tires and tubes, along with the cycle tires and tubes, they are consuming the largest part of the rubber production in the country. Then we have the fiber crop. Cotton, jute, hemp and natural silk. These are the fiber crops. Cotton, jute, hemp, natural silk are the fiber crops. The first three, that is cotton, jute and hemp, they are derived from the soil as crops. Means cotton, jute and hemp. Cotton, jute and hemp. They are derived from the crops grown in the soil, whereas the natural silk is obtained from cocoons of the silkworms fed on green leaves, especially the mulberry leaves. In order to get natural silk, we have to do sericulture. In order to get natural silk, we have to do sericulture, and sericulture is the rearing of silkworm for the production of silk fiber. Sericulture is the process of the rearing of silkworm. Rearing of silkworm is called sericulture, and with the help of sericulture, natural silk is obtained. Whereas the first three fiber crops, that is cotton, jute and hemp, they are obtained from the crops that is grown in the soil. Now let us discuss about the climatic conditions required for the growth of cotton. India is believed to be the original home of cotton plant. Cotton is one of the main raw materials for cotton textile industry. India is the third largest producer of cotton in the world, and cotton is grown well in the drier parts of black cotton soil of the Deccan Plateau. It requires high temperature, light rainfall, or irrigation. Cotton requires 210 frost-free days, 210 frost-free days and bright sunshine for its growth. Very, very important feature for the growth of cotton. Along with high temperature and light rainfall, it requires 210 frost-free days and bright sunshine for its growth. Cotton is a kharif crop and it requires 6 to 8 months to mature. So it is a kharif crop and requires 6 to 8 months to mature. And major cotton producing states are the Maharashtra, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Punjab, Haryana and Uttar Pradesh. Next fiber crop is jute, and jute is also referred to as golden fiber. Mark it, underline it, remember it. Jute is referred to as golden fiber. It grows well on well-drained fertile soil in the flood plains where soil are renewed every year. It is grown on well-drained fertile soil in the flood plains where soils are renewed every year. It requires high temperature during the time of growth. High temperature is required during the time of growth. It is used for making gunny bags, mats, ropes, yarn, carpets, etc. Due to its high cost, due to the cost of cotton is high, or because the cost of cotton is high, it is losing market to synthetic fibers and packing materials, particularly the nylon. Because of its high cost, it is losing market to synthetic fibers and nylon, which are the competitors of jute. Now, West Bengal, Bihar, Assam, Orissa and Meghalaya. West Bengal, Bihar, Assam, Orissa and Meghalaya. These are the major jute producing states in India. So jute is a golden fiber, and jute and cotton, they both comes under the category of fiber crops along with hemp and natural silk that we have discussed above.